Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a highly recommended kitchen gadget that has been making waves lately, the Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. We found this product online and have added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, if you're someone who loves cooking but struggles with the time-consuming prep work, this 4-in-1 vegetable slicer might just be the solution you've been looking for. The Fullstar Pro Chopper is designed to make vegetable prep not only quicker but also easier. With its large 5-cup capacity, you can chop, dice, and spiralize your veggies in a matter of seconds, leaving you with more time to enjoy your meals instead of preparing them. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this chopper a must-have. First and foremost, it's equipped with heavy-duty, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades that are designed to stay razor-sharp. This means you can achieve precise cuts every time, whether you're dicing onions for a stir-fry or spiralizing zucchini for a healthy pasta alternative. Additionally, the chopper is designed for easy setup and cleanup. Once you're done prepping, simply toss it in the top rack of your dishwasher, and you're all set. One of the most appealing aspects of the Fullstar Pro Chopper is its compact design. If you're short on kitchen space, you'll appreciate how easily this gadget fits in drawers or cabinets. Its grab-and-go design means you don't have to fuss with complicated setups before you start cooking. It's perfect for those busy days when you want to eat healthily but don't have the luxury of time. Comfort and precision are also key components of this tool. The soft grip TPU handle provides a comfortable hold, while the non-skid rubber base ensures maximum stability during use. No more worrying about your gadget slipping away from you while you chop. Plus, the built-in catch tray keeps your workspace clean, preventing the mess that often accompanies meal prep. So, who is this product suitable for? Well, whether you're a busy parent trying to prepare healthy meals for your family, a college student looking for quick and efficient cooking solutions, or even a seasoned chef wanting to speed up your prep process, the Fullstar Pro Chopper is perfect for you. It caters to anyone who wants to cook smarter, faster, and more efficiently. If you're wondering about practical use cases, think about those nights when you want to whip up a fresh salad or a quick stir-fry. The Fullstar Pro Chopper can help you dice up a variety of vegetables in no time, allowing you to create delicious meals with minimal effort. It's also great for meal prep. Spend a little time chopping your veggies on the weekend, and you'll have everything ready for the week ahead. Not to mention, it makes healthy eating on a busy schedule a breeze. Lastly, if you're on the hunt for a unique gift, the Fullstar Pro Chopper makes for an excellent choice. Whether it's for Mother's Day, a housewarming party, or a holiday gift, this kitchen tool is sure to be appreciated by anyone who enjoys cooking. Its functionality and ease of use